Okay, good morning, children. Yesterday we will discuss about the political science and sociology. So, sociology, one of the part of political science and social characters. And next, sociology. Here, words. Sociology words are next to political science and social sciences relationship. Okay, what is the main relationship between political science and sociology? And next to political science history, political science public administration, political science sociology, etc. These are the mainly we will learn about before classes. So now today we will discuss about the mainly chapter 2 lesson. Yesterday almost clearly explained political science and sociology. Political science and history, relationship between political science and other social sciences subjects. Okay, today we will discuss about the state and sovereignty. State and sovereignty. Today we will discuss about state and sovereignty. In this chapter, we shall study about the state and how to depend on the sovereignty. So here state is the elemental of social sciences. Main important. What is meant by state? State is the element of the social sciences. Element of the social sciences. It is theory of the subject. Element of social sciences and power of the social sciences and theory of the subject state. The state is actually the state. State in this word mainly Roman empires. Okay, first one 5th century at the 5th century period, 5th century BC. 5th century BC, Romans, Italians are Romans, Italians are Romans period. Italians are Romans period. In this word already forming of the society. This state is the word. So the state and sovereignty. What is meant by sovereignty? Sovereign power. The sovereignty is the mainly power of the nation and the system of the government. System of the government. Okay, the sovereignty, power and system of the government. Sovereignty meaning the power of the nation, the power of the state, the power of the nation or power of the state, and system of the government, strongly power of the nation. So this is called sovereignty. In this chapter, state and sovereignty. Introduction. Now topic introduction. Okay. So the introduction about state and sovereignty. The introduction. Okay. Here, state and sovereignty. State means not only one of the country level or one of the Greece. Here, ancient Greeks philosophers, ancient Greek scientists, For example, Machiavelli wrote the book The Prince. Who is the main famous scientist? Machiavelli. Machiavelli wrote the book. The book name is called The Prince. What is about this book? The Prince is the one of the book name. Who is wrote Machiavelli, Roman scientist Machiavelli wrote the book The Prince. The Prince is about how to following system of the government and how to functions institutions. Okay, functions and institutions, how to following of the government. The book totally clearly explained. Machiavelli, Italian philosopher, Italian and Roman philosopher. Okay. Next to the sovereignty, the state is the actually the state is in Roman word status. Roman language word status. The status in English derived from the status derived from state. The state is the English word. Status is the ancient Roman language word. Ancient Roman language word status. State is the English word. So derived from English word state. So sovereignty is the mainly power of the nations, and about this sovereignty 5th and 6th centuries. This 5th centuries only many emerged of the South European countries. 5th century and 5th century emerged of the South European countries. 6th century already developed of this power. 6th century particularly South European country, Western Asian countries. Okay, the 5th century only emerged of the political institutions, meaning and next social sciences and circumstances of the state and sovereignty, circumstances and circumstances power and next whatever may be, this is the power of the state power, strongest of the power, people's power. Okay, next sovereignty is also one of the strongest of the power in social institutions and sociological system and social institutions. Okay, here 6th century after next continues 18th century. The 18th century is also continue. 18th century. The 18th century here Roman empires and next British Empire. 18th century also mainly spread to the nearest neighboring countries or almost of the all nations, Western countries. 18th century also the sovereignty power of nations, sovereignty feelings and political thinkers also main image of the 6th century. First start in the 5th century. Next 6th century. Okay, Romans, Italians, Romans and Greece, Italian and Romans. These are peoples. These are the many peoples mainly start of the state and sovereignty power. Every state, the state mainly how to follow the system and the state power and opposite and ruling of the power, opposite and sometimes ruling of the power also mainly people's power. The state also mainly characteristics. What is main functions or what is scope of characteristics? What is scope of characteristics? Characteristics meaning here state power. The state characteristics, social sciences, one of the mainly depend on the state. The social sciences systems, characteristic powers and institutions, social institutions. Like institutions, example, institutions, power of the nations, institutions, example, social institutions. Social institutions also mainly came to the in century, 5th century. 5th century already emerged mainly Greece, Romans, other old cities, city of the state. This is the total city of the state. You know, first class already we learn about polity. Polity means city of the state. City of the state. So old means here ancient. the ancient cities. Athens. Athens is the one of the Greece ancient cities. Athens. And next to Sparta. Athens, Sparta. Okay. And next to Rome. Athens, Sparta, Rome. These are the ancient cities of the city-states. The ancient cities also emerged of the state and sovereignty system. Athens, Sparta and Rome. These are the Greece olden cities. The city-state mainly emerged of the institutions in sovereignty institutions, polling power of the institutions. Okay. Next one. Characteristics. What is main? State and sovereignty. What is main? This is the element of the social sciences. State power. Element of social sciences and strongly power of the government and thinkers. We are assigned thinkers of the government. State powers. The power of the nation. Ruling government. Opposite government. Ruling government power. The ruling government power mainly dominated the society. Ruling government of the power and sometimes opposite government also power of the main emergence of the state power. So the state is not only in this century, 5th century or 5th century BC, 5th century BC. This time a main emergence of the state power. So state and sovereignty is the related word. Sovereignty means mainly ruling government, ruling of the government, ruling power of the government, sovereignty power. The sovereignty total strongly nations and power and is to here main important of the social institutions and social sciences, and social institutions. So sovereign powers, sovereignty power, freedom, like example, freedom, liberty, these are the main important of the sovereign words, sovereign related words. Okay, here introduction mainly what is meant by state and sovereignty. State and sovereignty is related to the nothing about political science. It is the mainly social sciences theory part. Okay. Next topic introduction after another topic mainly related the state powers. The state power. The state power. Actually, this is the status in one of the Roman tribal language. What? Roman tribal language word. Roman tribal language word. So this is old, ancient or old, ancient Roman tribal language word. The status, the ancient Roman tribal language word. Oh, ancient. The word name is called status. Status. Afterwards derived from state. Status is now changed. But the English word is called state. State is one of the common people of the society. Society here different type of peoples are living in our country level, in our world level. So this is the mainly power of the state. Power of the state. Sovereignty is also mainly how to ruling of the government and sovereignty power. Ruling parties or ruling government. Mainly ruling of the government and essential and characteristic of the government. In the Greek scientist, first and Greek scientists also main introduction of the sovereignty power of the nations. Okay, next characteristics of the power, characteristics of the sovereignty. Characteristics meaning it is the very one of the part of element and strongly permanent part of the whole government. Permanent part of the whole government and permanent part of the whole state in state or nation. So in this chapter, sovereignty power. The sovereignty power in every, for example, here another example there. For example, kingdom period also. Kingdom period, Romans and other Greek, other Western, some Europeans. That's okay. So kingdom period also, mainly the king directly ruling of the power. It is called sovereign power. Sovereign. Ancient Roman Empire, mainly kingdom monarch type of system, not only democratic, old or previous old ancient period. So mainly Roman Empire also mainly directly ruling of the power. It's called sovereign power. Roman empires. So directly ruling is the kingdom period. Rules and regulations not following. Only one way method. Only one way type of method ruling in kingdom period. In this century, particularly before World War I, World War II. Meaning this meaning 15th to 16th and the last 20th century. This century is so the century is sovereign power kingdom period also. Kingdom or monarch type of period also ruling. So now today the sovereign power is the main important power of the government body. Government part. Main important body of the system and main important body of the political theory system. This sovereignty theory system, state theory system and next political theory system. Okay, here oldest Greek philosophers like Machiavelli and other persons. For example, Galileo or next some persons mainly geological words also clearly explain. Geological word. Geology is also one of the part of the social sciences. Geological words and economically also many peoples changes of the society in our country. So state and sovereignty. This is the related words. State and sovereignty. First one topic mainly meaning. What is meaning by the about to state, and next what is meaning about the sovereignty and essential characters of state and sovereignty, and next influence. What is main influence? What is main scope? The scope of the state and sovereignty. What is main scope of the sovereignty? Okay, here difference between about in this system. The sovereignty system first start in the century 5th century. Next 6th century came to all over many Western countries. 6th century came to all over countries. After next up to 18th centuries. Up to 18th century total spread to all over countries, all over Western and Asian countries. So particularly mainly Roman empires, Italian and Roman empire. This period mainly directly ruling of the sovereignty power of the country, Italian and Roman empire. Next, this about but sovereignty is the not only direct ruling, it is the one of the total governing permanent and next directly ruling and governing permanent. Next here power, main power of the nation, and next elements of the social parts, and next this is power mainly like so many type of power circumstances also there. Whatever may be the sovereign power and compared to relation between state and sovereignty. Okay. Now topic relation between state and sovereignty. Okay, here relation state and sovereignty. State is mainly effect of the national wise. Mainly power of the nation, system of the government sovereignty. Sovereignty is the one one of the power and depend on the state. Okay, national wise and conflicts. What is main conflicts? Conflicts and political system. Conflicts, political psychology, tensions, political, main is tensions also created, human tensions and conflicts, behavioralism is the total part of the in this system. Okay, national wise conflicts, and next human type of system, psychological system, and next here freedom of the feelings and congestion of the feelings. These are feelings totally state power of the feelings. State power of the feelings are mainly characteristic of state feelings. Sovereignty is the nothing about to state. Sovereignty is also one of the permanent type of every kingdom period time, old ancient period time only already developed the sovereignty power. So the state is the elementary of the system, elementary, and next this system is mainly some political scientists, political viewers, the political scientists clearly explain one compared to Aristotle and next compared to Socrates and next to Machiavelli. Machiavelli is also one of the famous philosopher. He wrote the book. So many type of books wrote, but here main important book, The Prince. The Prince is totally in the society feelings and state power. These are mainly wrote the in different type of society and different type of philosophers. Greek philosophers, scientific philosophers, Roman Catholic empires. They also mainly developed in the state power. Okay, Italian power and Roman powers also, and Byzantine Empire also. Byzantine is also one of the main oldest of the empire. Now present is called Iran and Iraq countries. Iran and Iraq both countries. Byzantine, Roman, Catholics. Okay, and next Crusade war. Crusades also in Christian side, the Muslim religions type of created the war. These are the suicide cases also. Okay, these are the totally state power. So the state is nothing about feelings of strongly. It is the tensions, human tensions also created. Okay, next here sovereignty is also one of the depend directly on the state. Sovereignty and state. Okay, here whatever may be here. Emerged of the new political theory. Okay, recent classes we will learn about the political science meaning and introduction, and political science how to effect of the in social sciences and next social institutions. We directly and indirectly will clearly learn about political science and meaning and institution. In this chapter, state and sovereignty. Political second is the main important of the system, state and sovereignty. This state and sovereignty mainly government. Government also depends on state and central government. So here this state is the mainly is how to formation people's mainly effect of the evolutions. What is main evolution of the state? Evolution meaning here power of the nations. Evolution of the state. Evolutions of the state. And next evolution of the state. After next how relation between state and sovereignty. Relation between the state and sovereignty. Relation between the state and sovereignty. Okay, what is the main relation between state and sovereignty? State is only one of the common society. It is the commonly depend on the state. But sovereignty is the mainly every kingdom period time also, kingdom period like monarch type of period also, kingdom period also already we discussed about the sovereignty power, kingdom period also already developed of the sovereignty. So this is the mainly related word directly and sometimes indirectly also. So in this matter total like enthusiastic feelings like democratic feelings and goals and declarations and politically this is the totally depend on in social characters only, social characters and evolution and elementary of the system, evolution and elementary. So define of the state. What is meaning by state? The state is the actually what in the old Roman language, old Roman which tribal language. The tribal language only derived from in this century, 5th century BC period, 5th century BC. Okay, after next 6th century, Aristotle already explained 6th century in Western European countries, South and West. South meaning here Greece and old cities also. City of the state power, city of the state. Here power means not only direct ruling of the power, indirectly power also. Political parties power, present situation, political parties to formation, the views and the political parties manifestos means your future generation, how to help out the directly people and facilities. It is also one of the manifesto of the political parties. Okay, here sovereign power also. On that time was 5th and 6th century, 5th and 6th century also mainly start of sovereign power. Okay, the 18th century to 19th. Mainly end of the First World War, Second World War period, 1950, Second World War period, end of the Second World War, 1950 period. In this year, mainly affected and strongly movement also start. Many movements. The movements also mainly changes of the sovereign power related movements, human related movements, and environmental movements. Okay, next economical type of movement also. So 1950 year, this year the sovereign power strongly of the every nation, every state power. Okay, political concepts. Here political concept, political circumstances and related to other in sovereignty power. Related to the sovereignty power. What is meant by conclusion? This is a state and sovereignty. About this conclusion, mainly state is the one of the not only one country or one state level. It is the actually this word in status and status in this word. The status in which language word? Status which language word? Roman language word. Old Roman, ancient Roman language word. And next sovereignty is also which one mainly the sovereignty is the power of the people and power of the nations. Okay, this is the main related to the state and sovereignty. Okay, tomorrow continue in this class continue connected state and sovereignty of the power, how to affect state and sovereignty. Tomorrow we will discuss. Okay, thank you students.